बोलो।
Hello friends, welcome to channel Stop Star Recipes. Today I am going to make chicken Vindalu curry. I have made mutton Vindalu on Sunday. Today I am going to make chicken Vindalu curry and I hope you all will like it. So please subscribe if you are new to my channel.
Hello. Hello. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe, and press the bell icon. Thank you.
Hot. Off कर लो. For the chicken Vindalu, the masalas which I am going to take is jeera, mustard, some dry chilies, red dry chilies, and dhania. All this I will grind now, and some ginger and garlic. All these masalas I am going to grind. First I will grind the jeera, dhania, mustard and chilies. Now, to make the chicken Vindalu, I'm going to start. Put some mustard oil. I've sliced up some onions. Put this onion in. Some bay leaves. Let the onions turn brown. Onions are turned brown. Now I will put the ginger garlic paste. put in the other masalas also, which I have browned. And let the masala fry. Put some turmeric powder. Let the masala fry nicely. The masalas are fried up nicely. Now I will put in the chicken. This is 1.5 kilo chicken that I am going to make the Vindalu. So I will put this in. Put the salt to taste. And let the chicken fry along with the masala. So I will cover the chicken for 5 to 10 minutes till it fries up nicely. The chicken is fried up with the masalas nicely. You can see it. How nicely it's fried up. Today the chicken Vindalu will be very, very tasty, yummy to eat. You can have it with chapatis, parathas, rice, with pulao. Now I will add some water. Not much, not lots of water. Now let this water dry a bit. Cover it up for a while. The water is dried up a bit little. Now I will put in the vinegar. I have taken vinegar. Now I will put some vinegar. I have put in the vinegar. Now it will do the seasoning of the meat, of the chicken. I will put some coriander leaves also. It will give it a nice taste. Cover it for 2 minutes. Vindalu is ready. Chicken Vindalu is ready. Thank you for watching my video.